In this video, I'll show you how to download and install the latest version of Affinity on your Mac. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser. You can use Safari, Google Chrome, or any other browser you like. Next, go to affinity.studio/download. I'll also leave the download link in the video description. Once the page loads, scroll down to the Mac section and click Download for Mac OS. The download should begin automatically. Save the installation file to your Downloads folder. Depending on your internet connection, the download may take a few moments to complete. Once it finishes, open your Downloads folder and double-click the file named affinity.dmg. A new installation window will appear. Drag the Affinity icon into the Applications folder. This will copy and install Affinity on your Mac. Once the installation is complete, you can close the window, eject the Affinity disk image, and move the installer file to the bin if you no longer need it. Next, open your Applications folder and double-click Affinity to launch it. The first time you open the app, you may see a message saying that Affinity was downloaded from the internet. Click Open to continue. Next, sign in with your Canva account. If you don't already have an account, follow the instructions to create one. You can then skip the introductory video, review and accept the license terms, and click Continue. Once you reach the main screen, you can choose a canvas size, adjust the document settings, or start with one of the available templates. To create a blank document, click the plus button. Choose your preferred page size. For this example, I'll select A3. Then click Create Document. And just like that, your new blank canvas is ready. On the left side of the screen, you'll find tools such as the brush, lasso, shape, and text tools. Across the top of the screen, you'll find menus such as File, Edit, Document, Text, and Vector. These menus give you quick access to the different editing and design features. Affinity allows you to edit photos, create vector graphics, produce digital illustrations, and design professional page layouts, all within a single application. Take some time to explore the tools and customize your workspace based on the type of project you want to create. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded, installed, and opened Affinity on your Mac. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more simple tech tips and step-by-step tutorials.